And whatever that you put in, garbage out. Ade bia de be shem na no ana de be free mu aba efiada. So do joada bon ho so adwuma no ye no kwasem se wo ye de abeko. No matter what you be going. The excuses they are ade ye ho ano adwada le mo ye nyina. Arapay fashe utim se obekọ adwuma na adwuma wo kọ no obekọ na ho dimu ene ne dimu na abeye na nyoma nyina so ebeye kama na Yakobon so beka ho soko. Arapay fa catch you say in every beginning or beginning of everything ay difficult. Bibia shase bia ay din. The more reason why when this Monday and I have a ding mouth because bibia shase ay din. So I want to begin you want to start a business. Ay din. Ebe akwada ye wa akwada foforo na akwada ne also wia ansa no abenante a arobo wa homete. Things are not easy. Ade bia shase ay din. You are not the first person to experience that. Oye ni pa odi kan ya be experiences ade no. Ade bia da wo wiasim na shase ay din. A shase na ade pa. But how you start and also check how I be. It's dying usi daya foundation no how benya the foundation will determine the speed and the growth that you have and the strength a dino ebenya sare wiase abra bono so aye ade bia wo sha ase no ahode a wo de bewura mu no ero na kire said ye wiye na ebesi aye. So Aropa, if you are beginning with this week journey ahode a wo de be hyem na wotwen ero na be kire efiada said ye output obeda. So let's begin right with this today. Yanfa edumadeni and the din room. Bosome June 22nd. Yasha from day 1. Day 1 up to the 22nd day. Barely we have about 8 days. Because June so 30th. To end this month. But assess yourself, sit down and assess yourself, say, from the beginning of the month up to the 22nd day, progress by the way brabonim. And then I had the account because I began saying, say, it's just like building. You are building a house or making a property. How I'll be shas and the bed determine how be. And it begins with a block, and it begins from a block to a certain level till you get to the lintel. Odo lintel, then you know say dining there where we are castle moso and the kick home. But you cannot get to the roofing when your foundation is wrong. The foundation determines how you even roof your building. Ever say the power of Babe roofing or bow assess the strength of the building. He assesses the strength of the building. He shares the strength of the building. It determines the kind of a good dinosaur. So this one I want to encourage you, say, aka na maku and watching na bosumi June no abewie. We should begin to assess and from 1st June to now. You can make a lot of changes, a lot of difference. I was 8 days here, Akem. You don't need to wait for the month of July. Like I said, July, no. Anytime I get this initiative, say, you're not the first day of July, the first day of the next month, no, you're sharing your massive flow. And you're near that, I hope, because the truth of the matter is say, over around 1st of July, as I be do the 22nd day, I be do the 30th day, I be do the 31st day, and you tell yourself, say, Yanko against him. Before you could say Jack, then the year no end it. So don't lie to yourself, say, beginning from July, then you still have 8 days to make a difference. So I don't know the difficulties you are having. And nema ya consider and nema emwaya ding ama wono. It begins with some was because the moment you psych yourself and decide to say this route and this path I may follow and I need to change, I need to tilt, I need to change direction. That is why I feel both a progress no ever. But say when you are doing such a no matter how I obey no enye. So now we assess ourselves and we have a change of mind, change of direction if necessary. Then we begin to make progress in the next movement. Ya sa debia be dada ho. We have motivation nyina beba eso still obetena o ABCD mu. Obra ne nya obi a obra ene wan kasa de wabo. Because all the whole tool so say we ya be born to the mamen twen na asimes ya she boss July kra no obra me seed capital bi am de be sha ase. One year, the month of July, now you'll be disappointed because if I don't sell bono, a day assurance now was say 100% that you are going to get that assurance. So life is about yourself. Obrano wankasa, and if you want to be able to go through this life war, it begins with your mindset. Again ubeja. That is where it's going to begin from. And may the peace of our Lord Jesus surpasses all understanding be with us this morning. This one we say assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam. It's a very beautiful Monday morning. Na ene ba ya betena se ye din komo na se dia ba bi koso a ya na tan then ya betena se ye nim ba bi efiri e ba me kai those days I go secondary school, you know, say to senior high school be drew on ma that time people were privileged ebi papa mo cars enti omo bon person de cars be school ni ade but yes is even car na papa dia man kra ye ma fa nwura campus so yeah, man, Pakua, but it's already inconvenience. A woman, and then also for public bus and our public car. Now, we a day student. But now, I don't know where these things are coming from. No one is against say, Namia Tom, Namia Shrow, Ube Jessica, no talka mauba. There's nothing wrong. Hey, come up, papa. Sabia Fanyang Kankwasiasem. Hey, come up, but what we are asking they say, baby, I had a car ne commano. Is it appropriate? What ye be a yana? Baby, I had a car ne mano. And what appropriate? Ghana Education Service a casa for home, and I mean, the also be car for home, casa, and a getter. Ye de chewo school moi. The teacher senior high school. As they say, I better talk of the day. They say, I can't cry, bear me and so. Or so, or was the swag account. GS akasa etia na so adwasafo rabo adwasafo ya me de dala se so di ma me no afofi na kanya sadia aka no pen kanya good news cry. I don't know why sometimes we are say aya pre aja ho akoi ya de nyama bi hihye ye ho to the extent say we want to harm our fellow human beings, not to even talk about blood. Minim dia pen was as you so. Na de ono bra peja edinya ho nyoma no no ko na wo na obeka dey. Alopa ye be ram kakra. Obi asemba na de bia tu hofo. Then you see how things will go this morning. Alopa ye betenasia ye be di nkomo. It's Royal Majesty Otumfo say to aka asema de pa. I think that is how it's supposed to be. So no aban bia obeba so bia. So far as Ghana for to Abama no only omu ne be adwuma currently. Mahama ni ato Abama no Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni ato Abama na. Why not? Oni Mahama ne be adwuma. Enti Otumfo so ono de. Aban Ghana for be you no ono ne be adwuma. Enti meme say ase. Ojina sha be ka say, "Hey, papa kwa abra no ne na nado ne nam They say they no ni Mahama Nami. You said your part dia kotoko ni eje na bro. I'm very well looking into that. There is a lot that is happening. Sport phone so beba na mamen dame ho embra beba enkomono yebeko soa enso de frame na Kwame Nkwantabisa beba wa be Jaco be joining us as no Barbara executive producer for the show. It is a good morning.